Hi everyone, I'm Owen Reich. I'm out here at Bask Retreat Center, and in particular, we're next to the new honey cabin, and we're about halfway through with the installation of all of the native plants. And so if you look right here, you'll see that there are native ferns. This one in particular is a grape fern. So we've already got plants within 5 or 6 feet of the construction site that are responding to the new sunlight. And we're making sure that we dodge those, of course. If you walk up here, you'll see that there are native sedges, ferns, and heuchera that are installed throughout this area. And the best part is you can't really tell what we just installed, and that was on purpose, right? As we come up the hill a little further, you'll see that we have blueberries, these ones with the tags, and we're gonna put about 5 or 6 different cultivated varieties of blueberries throughout this area so that we have honeybees visiting regularly. We are preserving some of the smaller seedling trees, and those are gonna be pruned into artistic forms. But the goal for this space is to look out the window of the honey cabin and see the understory clearly. So most of the plants that I chose for this area do not get taller than a foot. So like this little guy here is Carex Pennsylvania. This is a suitable lawn replacement plant. If you have a shady lawn area where grass cannot grow, this is a no-mow lawn option. And then again, as I said, the heuchera here in the front are about 10 years old, and they were 1-gallon plants. But when those flower with 2-foot white spikes of flowers, the seeds are gonna fall and spread throughout the area and cover the whole hillside for us. So the goal here with most of the planting projects at Bask is to make sure that what we put here can spread and we're not fighting it, right? We're not trying to create new problems. We're trying to solve habitat destruction and forestry misuse and make it better. And so all of the plants that we're choosing, they can quote unquote escape. We can let them loose, they could spread for 10 years and it wouldn't hurt a thing.